I am super excited to announce my book is finally here and to welcome this new baby to my bookshelf. Here we go. Been waiting for a long time to finally deliver this baby. Let's see what the quality looks like. If it's exactly how I imagined it. Nervous. A dream that I've been waiting for, to finally be the author of my own book and for my children. So this is really a dream come true. So lots of stuff in here. And there we go. There we go. Okay, so it says Chesand from Chesand. Not exactly, but so this is the paperback. Looks very nice, very shiny. And I also have the hardcover. Really nice. I really love it. It feels really sturdy in my hand. And looks good. It's finally a reality. Wait until Jackson and Jaylee finally see this. And I will show you a few pictures of what's inside. Let's put this away, and I'll hold on to the soft cover. So this is what's inside. So we have another picture here. Let's see the preface. This book was inspired by my 4-year-old son when he asked a question in May 2020 that stunned me. Mommy, will Santa wear a mask? And we also have the dedication. And this book was dedicated to the Wheelchair brothers, my sons. And let's take a look at the pictures. Ooh, very nice. It's real. And JChess is here. And showing lots of diversity, the different families, different settings, and pretty much what we've been going through for the past pretty much a year. And the Jag family. Does it look like me? These are my boys, the Jag brothers, and my OG. Thank you for watching my unboxing video. I hope you like it, and if you did, leave me a comment and a thumbs up, and I will talk with you very soon. Don't forget to check out my brand new store, JChess Designs, which is linked in the description box, and you can check out all the cool merchandise that I have to offer. Talk soon.